Hello, here we are today in Abu Dhabi car exhibition stage. Here we're standing here close to the auto electric car is located. It's made by Canada's electric car, and they're providing some new electric car in here for the 2023 exhibition, and they have some new models 2023 models they providing, and they expose this models here and the auto exhibitions, car exhibition in Abu Dhabi. It's a little bit short review for this car. In outer, interiors, exteriors, everything is perfect, but our job is just to find out the chassis number where it is located. So follow us. I'm come with all. I will show you. That's the right side passenger seat, and on the passenger seat you can see clearly the chassis number is located here, the VIN number. Thanks for watching our video. Click on the thumb and get more information.